Do you know that you cannot make a phone call without a SIM card? Yes. You can also activate an international phone number on your WhatsApp without having the SIM card. The most interesting part is that you can also select any country phone number you want to activate on your WhatsApp without being in that country. Yes, you can do it from Africa, from Europe, or anywhere in the world. You can do this with your smartphone. Now, without wasting time, let me take you to the practical screen on how to do this. First, just go to Play Store, access your Play Store, App Store, and download this app called Dingtone. Download the app. This is the app. This is the app. This is the app. Just download the app. After downloading the app, just tap on open. Now, swipe to the left, swipe again, tap on get started, and tap on agree. Allow, allow. Now, this is the interface where you are asked to create an account. Yes, you have to create an account first. Now, you can choose either with your phone number or your email address. Now, I will go to my email address for this account creating. Now, let me tap on my email and insert my email. Let me just select one of my email here and insert my full name and tap on continue. Tap on OK. Now, select activate now. This is the process of creating the account. So you have to go through this process for you to get access to the features of this app. Now, for you to make a call without a SIM card, just tap on this number and select this international phone number. Just select it. Now, for this area, you have to select the country phone number you want to use. Yes, all the countries are available here. The UK, the Canada, the United Kingdom, Belgium, Netherlands, Poland, Sweden, France, Austria, all of these countries are available. So you can just select one of these countries for you to get access to the feature. Now, let's just go with United Kingdom. Now, tap on UK, don't show again, and select one of these numbers. Now, just tap on it and tap on continue. Now, for this part, you need to do your payment because this service is not free. You have to fund your account first before coming to this area. Now, for you to use this service, you need to pay $17.99 per week and $9.99 per month. Yes, if your account is funded, just tap on get access to this number and you will get access. Now, for the social media area, just go back and select social media numbers. Just tap on it. This is the part where you have to select any phone number you want to use. For your WhatsApp, just chat by state. Let's just go with New York. New York. Now, this is New York. Just tap on New York and select one of these numbers. You can go with any country of your choice. I just select New York just for the sake of this practical. You can select any country of your choice or any city of your choice. Yes. Now, just tap on the phone number you want to use, tap on continue, and make your payment. After making your payment, you will get full access to this phone number. Yes, you can use it whenever you want to use it. Now, if you want to make a phone call, just tap on this call and dial the phone number you want to call. Yes, just dial the phone number you want to call and proceed your call. If you find this video useful, just subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. And try this. Let me know in the comment section if it works for you.